Rebuild member AR balances is a utility used to update and recalculate the member balances stored and displayed at the bottom of the main screen in Setup/Edit Members. Sometimes this bucket total may show as incorrect compared to the actual account inquiry. Therefore, this utility allows you to update and recalculate those totals. To run this utility, navigate to Club Management, Club Utilities, and Rebuild Member AR Balances. Then simply select your club and click OK to run. It is important to note that no one should be posting to member accounts while this utility is being run. The utility can be run as often as desired, but may take several hours depending on the volume of data to go through. Now that the Rebuild Member AR Balances utility has been run, the account balance in the Setup/Edit Member File menu is the same as the total in the account inquiry. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.